Many adults and children in the United States take one or more vitamins or other dietary supplements. For many people, a healthy lifestyle means more than eating a good diet, and getting enough exercise. Vitamins, supplements, and complementary nutritional products are also part of the plan. But though there is much publicity about their potential benefits, there's less awareness of their possible harmful effects. Even the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, doesn't have the authority to review dietary supplement products for safety and effectiveness before they're marketed. So in this video, we're going to discuss supplements and their effects. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Vitamins and mineral supplements are the most commonly used dietary supplements by populations worldwide. Dietary supplements can contain minerals, herbs, or other botanicals, amino acids, enzymes, and many other ingredients. Dietary supplements come in a variety of forms, including tablets, capsules, gummies, and powders, as well as drinks and energy bars. Popular supplements include vitamins D and B12, minerals like calcium and iron, herbs such as echinacea and garlic, and products like glucosamine, probiotics, and fish oils. Too much vitamin C or zinc could cause nausea, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Too much selenium could lead to hair loss, gastrointestinal upset, fatigue, and mild nerve damage. Used properly, certain dietary supplements may help reduce the risk of some diseases. Some might also reduce discomfort caused by certain conditions or medicines, or help you feel better, which can improve your quality of life. Most people can use dietary supplements safely as long as they don't take too much. But dietary supplements are not totally safe, and taking them can have risks, especially for people who are getting cancer treatment. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that adverse effects of supplements were responsible for an average of about 23,000 emergency department ED visits per year. In this 10-year study, researchers looked at surveillance data from 63 hospital emergency departments to estimate the annual number of ED visits associated with adverse effects from dietary supplements. The authors define dietary supplements as herbal or complementary products and vitamin or amino acid micronutrients. Patients visiting the ED for symptoms related to supplement use were an average of 32 years old, and women made up more than half of all visits. Just over 10% of these visits resulted in admission to the hospital, especially among adults older than 65. Many supplements contain active ingredients that can have strong effects on the body. Always be alert to the possibility of a bad reaction, especially when taking a new product. You're most likely to have side effects from dietary supplements if you take them at high doses, or instead of prescribed medicines, or if you take many different supplements. Some supplements can increase the risk of bleeding, or if taken before surgery, can change your response to anesthesia. Talk with your doctor about any supplements you're taking, including vitamins and minerals, and the dose you're taking too. That way, your doctor can help you keep doses in a safe range. If you're taking a basic multivitamin, there's no need to fear taking too much, says Andrew Shao, PhD, Senior Vice President of Scientific and Regulatory Affairs for the Council of Responsible Nutrition, a trade group for the supplements industry. Most multivitamins have such a wide margin of safety that even when you're combining them with fortified foods, it's still not going to cause you to keel over. Shao says the manufacturers and distributors of dietary supplements are responsible for making sure their products are safe before they go to market. If the dietary supplement contains a new ingredient, manufacturers must notify FDA about that ingredient prior to marketing. However, the notification will only be reviewed by FDA, not approved, and only for safety, not effectiveness. Manufacturers are required to produce dietary supplements in a quality manner and ensure that they don't contain contaminants or impurities and are accurately labeled according to current good manufacturing practice, CGMP, and labeling regulations. If a serious problem associated with a dietary supplement occurs, manufacturers must report it to FDA as an adverse event. FDA can take dietary supplements off the market if they're found to be unsafe or if the claims on the products are false and misleading. Vitamins and mineral supplements have a large worldwide market, but mostly they're used in North America and Europe, where there's most evidence on patterns of use and health outcomes. The use of vitamin, mineral, and fish oil supplements is common among adults in North America. The prevalence of use has increased for some individual nutrients. For example, there was a fourfold increase in the use of vitamin D supplements among U.S. adults from 1999 to 2012, excluding intake obtained from multivitamins and minerals. Supplement use is generally less prevalent in other countries than in the US and Canada, but varies widely. Example, Denmark 51%, South Korea 34%, Australia 43%, UK 36%, Spain 6%, Greece 2%. Dietary supplements, herbal preparations, and homeopathic treatments caused almost 70,000 calls to U.S. poison control centers in 2019. Of these calls, more than 7,000 people needed treatment at healthcare facilities. More than 800 of these cases led to moderate to severe outcomes. However, most people who have side effects, illnesses, or drug interactions from dietary supplements don't call a poison control center or the supplement manufacturer. This means that the numbers we have are likely lower than what actually happens. Some dietary supplements can cause skin sensitivity and severe reactions when taken during radiation treatment. If you're getting radiation treatments, talk to your doctors before taking any supplement. For people who need surgery, some supplements may react with medicines used during and after surgery or might increase the risk of certain side effects such as bleeding and infection. Other medicines can affect the way the heart and brain work, leading to complications during and after surgery. Let your doctor know what supplements you're taking before you have surgery. People getting chemotherapy may be at higher risk for side effects if they take some dietary supplements. Some supplements can interfere with how the body breaks down chemotherapy, which can make it less effective or increase side effects. Weight loss products accounted for 1/4 of all single product ED visits and disproportionately affected women, while men were more likely to experience adverse effects from products advertised for sexual enhancement and bodybuilding. Energy-boosting products made up another 10% of these visits. Young adults weren't the only ones affected. Many children under 4 years of age suffered allergic reactions or digestive symptoms, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain from unsupervised accidental ingestion of vitamins. Patients older than 65 were more likely to have trouble swallowing after taking vitamins or micronutrients of large pill sizes. Although the study's findings are annual estimates based on ED visits to a relatively small number of hospitals, they reflect the growing use of dietary supplements and micronutrients. These products are widely available without prescription and are advertised as alternatives or complement to therapeutically prescribed pharmaceutical drugs. As a result, dietary or herbal supplements are widely perceived to be natural and safe. The most recent figures indicate that there are more than 55,000 such products available in the United States. Manufacturers may add vitamins, minerals, and other supplement ingredients to foods you eat, especially breakfast cereals and beverages. As a result, you may get more of these ingredients than you think, and more might not be better. Taking more than you need costs more and might also raise your risk of side effects. For example, too much vitamin A can cause headaches and liver damage, reduce bone strength, and cause birth defects. Excess iron causes nausea and vomiting and may damage the liver and other organs. Be cautious about taking dietary supplements if you're pregnant or nursing. Also, be careful about giving supplements to a child unless recommended by their healthcare provider. Many supplements have not been well tested for safety in pregnant women, nursing mothers, or children. Because of these concerns, many cancer experts advise people to avoid dietary supplements while getting cancer treatment. But if you decide to take supplements, be sure to discuss this with your doctor or cancer care team. Notify FDA if the use of a dietary supplement caused you or a family member to have a serious reaction or illness. Even if you're not certain that the product was the cause or you did not visit a doctor or clinic. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys. Until then, stay safe and take care.